Wow, this is a big dock you guys have.
Now look at this water.
Wow, the water is crystal clear. Well, there's a boat.
We have lots of chairs. Okay, now let's show you around somewhere else. Now we're going to show you the front yard.
Okay, come on, Abby.
Look at the house.
I know. Do you like sleeping there? Is it so comfortable?
Yeah, the house is a builder.
The house is super beautiful. But you guys forgot to mention my most favorite part about the lake. The loons. The loons.
There's loons out there trying to catch fish.
Yeah. Careful.
Fireplace again.
The fire pit.
There's to enjoy the water. You can put some seaweed, leaves, boxes, cardboard boxes, or more greens and grass.
Wow. Oh, don't touch that.
The left side area right there. Someone go up the hill.
Up the hill.
And watch out, there is lots of sparkly stuff. So I will
Well-
remind you to wear your shoes.
Yes, wear your shoes. Not like what Scarlett's doing. Or Abby. Or Bryce.
Please do not touch these. This is where the grass is going. Don't touch that. Please do not go in here.
What?
There's a basketball hoop and a tire swing. First, I'm just going to show them the real